everyone. So today, let's explore our small community. So this is our barangay hall. And ito naman yung mga purok na bagong bili ng mayor namin. Actually guys, we don't have a municipal hall yet kasi bago pa lang ang municipality namin. And this is our Bangsamoro Health Station or Center. At ito naman ang aming covered court. Every time na may program like symposium or liga, is dito ginaganap. And this is the school of Nabalawag. This is the high school. At ito naman ang elementary school. So, let's move on to our small barangay. And guys, this is our house. And that is may napaka-supportive na father. At ito naman ang pinagtataniman ng mga mais or kahit anong tanim. And actually, as you can see guys, napakaganda ng view dito. And that would be all. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, good day. First thing first, I would like to introduce to you myself. I am Bailani Sema, and sometimes they are calling me Lani and Bai, which means princess. And I am from Nabalawag, SGA Barm. So sa Nabalawag is puro mga Muslims ang nakatira. And my mother's name is Nurhaya Sema, and my father's name is Randy Sema. So, ang trabaho ng aking mga magulang, ang tatay ko is isa siyang guard sa school malapit sa aming bahay. Ang nanay ko naman ay isa siyang utility doon din sa school na pinagtatrabahuan din ng tatay ko. So, may 4 akong kapatid, 2 babae at saka 2 lalaki. So, I graduated at Dilangali National High School. Dilangali National High School is a public school. The course that I have chosen is Bachelor of Secondary Education, majoring Social Studies. I chose this course because bata pa lang ako is gusto ko na talaga maging teacher. So, parang nakatatak na talaga sa isip ko na magti-teacher ako. So, sana makamit. Kaya sa Southern Christian College ako nag-enroll because Southern Christian College has a high standard when it comes to education. So, I believe that SCC can give me or help me to pursue my dream. My goal is makapagtapos ng pag-aaral at gusto ko rin mag-travel around the world. And para na rin masukliyaan yung paghihirap ng parents ko. So, I think ang magiging sagabal or magiging hadlang sa pag-pursue ko sa dream ko is unang-una na dyan yung financial. Kasi nakikita ko na maraming estudyante na kahit gaano pa sila kagaling is nakapag-stop sila because of financial. So, 10 years from now, I can see myself as a successful licensed teacher na nagtuturo sa ibang bansa. Or, kung hindi naman, ay dito na lang. That would be all. Thank you so much. Bye!